Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today is another grow room tour. It is Sunday, March 8th, and we are coming in right at the end of week 10. And I think you're going to really surprised how big some of these plants have gotten in just 1 week. Right here, start on the top. If you remember these beauties, so in here I have my one romaine, and you know what? I said I was going to start more lettuce, and did I? Nope. So I'll be doing that today. The thyme is coming along nicely. The cumin, I don't know, I think this is kind of overpowering it, so I might have to move the perpetual spinach out of the way. My strawberry mint is coming in and it is smelling amazing, and I got a couple more babies coming along. A few of the chives coming up. Dill's doing really good. And then we have some cilantro and some parsley. And then this side we have all the different basils, so I still don't see any on the first two, which were the piccolino and the red Reuben. But the lemon, basil, thyme, lime, I don't think did anything either. But we have the lemon, the dark opal, and the siam, which are doing really good. Perpetual spinach is doing good, and then just that one Merlot lettuce. But some of these things are going to have to get potted up, and some of them will actually be going out soon. I know it's hard to believe. This tray, the dahlias, holy guacamole. Like, from seed, these things are doing insane. Nothing on the bowels of Ireland. I popped a few seeds in there. Oh, sorry. My sensitive plant is so sensitive. Drama queen. And then over here I have, these say geraniums, but is that a geranium? That's a geranium. Not sure what that is. The shiny sparkly ones at the end there are the Livingston daisies. And they're looking good. And now look at the petunias. Look how big these are getting. Like, that's crazy. I'll pop up a picture from last week to show you the difference. I do kind of rotate these every couple of days. There's another tray, and here's these ones. They are really getting big. So, several different varieties of petunias. And then we'll pop down a shelf. Pansies. And this is why we start pansies so early. It's just because they're so slow. I think they got a little too much sun. I'm going to pull them back and keep them like this so they're not getting as much sun. It gets too hot for them there. These are the tomatoes and peppers that I transplanted last week. They're doing good. You can see a few of them have been overwatered a little bit, just because when I transplanted them I wanted to make sure that they didn't dry out or whatever, so I may have overwatered them a little bit, but those are the dwarf tomatoes there, and then this side has the peppers, so everything seems to be settling in. And I did start more pepper seeds, and look at that. They're going to town. I gotta water these. They're getting dry though. And over here, nothing on the Lysianthus. I thought I saw some green, like that one there maybe. I don't know. But the stalks and the hollyhocks are doing good. And then this here, these are the cool flowers. Nothing on the larkspur, which I'm not surprised. Foxgloves are doing fantastic. We have a few of the stalks, but that's okay because I have more over there. And then a handful of the snapdragons here, and then some straw flowers. They're doing fine. And then in the begonias, do you remember when I said they'd probably double by next week? I'll show that video clip, and tiny little begonias. And I noticed one here. Oh, look at the color. You can see the color on the leaves. They're so tiny. I apologize for Dexter downstairs freaking out at the window. But again, begonias take forever to get going. And still nothing on the the angel wing begonias. So I guess maybe the seeds I saved from those weren't viable. But the rest are doing all right. I'm going to have to start separating these now that they're still pretty tiny to be separating. So they'll probably go another week. That's where we're sitting. End of week 10. And I have these two trays that are empty, ready to get started. So I'm going to go through my seeds today and see what we're going to be putting in here. I'm hoping to get some lobelia seeds, and I keep forgetting to buy impatiens seeds, so hopefully it's not too late for those, but we'll get around to it soon. And then I'll be starting my regular peppers soon as well. So thank you so much for joining me on this week's grow room tour. It's hard to believe we're going to be planting stuff out, but we've had some really nice weather the last few days. We've had sun. It's been amazing, and we're above freezing, and a lot of the snow is melting. Like, I can actually see grass out in the backyard, so that's amazing. So thank you so much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.